Hey everyone, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix Elden Ring failed to load save data on PC. So the first one you can do is restart your Elden Ring. The way you're gonna do it is head over to Start and then click on Task Manager, and then under Processes tab select Elden Ring.exe and then click on End Task, and then launch it again to see if it works. And then you need to verify. How you're going to do this is head over to Steam and then Library, and then click on Elden Ring, right click and then head over to Properties, and then select Local Files and verify integrity of game files. And after doing this, it might be repaired. If that doesn't work, then you need to disable Steam Cloud Save feature, and the way to do that is head over to Steam, then go to Library, right click on Elden Ring again, choose Properties, select General, and uncheck the keep game saves in Steam Cloud for Elden Ring in the Steam Cloud, and after that it should be disappeared, right? And then you're gonna do is Windows plus E to open File Explorer, and then change specified settings, as you can see this one. And then what you need to do is you'll see three files named, so you need to delete this one and rename this as the one that you deleted by removing the .bak extension, and then close it and launch Elden Ring to see if it works. And the last one is head over to File Explorer and then navigate to the game like directory, select on backup files, and then you're gonna turn it on, and then Steam will ask you to save the cloud save or local save. You're gonna click on local save and then check if this problem is solved. But yeah, these are all the possible fixes. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.